नमस्कार. महाराष्ट्र एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे कैलासवासी ग. भी. देशपांडे विद्यालय बारामती, विषय विज्ञान व तंत्रज्ञान, वर्ग इयत्ता 10वी शिवनेरी, पिरियॉडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, विषय शिक्षक श्री तुंगार सर. Welcome to all students. Today we have to learn the chapter number 2 in Science and Technology part first, that is periodic classification of elements. First of all, we know the basic concept about the classification of elements. We know that matter is composed of tiny particles called as atom, and atoms are made up of elements. So elements have atomic number, that means the number of proton or number of electron present in an atom of an element. And we know that atomic mass number means the number of proton plus number of neutron present in an atom of an element. We have to study that part in standard 9 and 8. Now today we have to learn about the classification of elements into different groups for the further study or easier study. Early, there are some models based on classification of elements of a periodic table. The first attempt was done by the scientist Dobereiner, that is, he stated that, or he arranged a group of 3 elements with similar properties in the order of increasing atomic masses is called a triad. He showed that the atomic mass of the middle element is approximately the arithmetic mean of the other two, but Dobereiner could identify only 3 triads from the element known at that time. The elements are lithium, sodium and potassium, calcium, strontium, barium, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Now the problem is that the triad is only applicable for the limited elements found at that time. Then further study was done by the scientist Newland, that is called as the Newland laws of octaves. When the elements are arranged according to increasing atomic masses, the physical and chemical properties of every 8 element are similar to that of the first. Newland compared these octaves to the series of 8 notes of the musical scale. He knows that the law is also applicable for limited elements. He states that, or he found that the law was applicable for the element up to the atomic masses 40. Properties of new elements discovered did not fit into the laws of octaves. In a few cases, Newland places 2 elements in the same slot to fit the element in the table. He also grouped unlike elements under the same slot, so that there are some limitations of Newland octaves shown in the slide given below. Then further, Mendeleev was attempted the periodic classification of the element. That the features of Mendeleev periodic table is based on the law of Mendeleev periodic law, that properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. He concluded that 12 horizontal rows, which were known as a periods, are in 7, and 8 vertical columns known as a group. So the achievement of Mendeleev periodic table is done on that slot. So atomic masses is the main factor of that periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table have some merits, that are elements were classified on a more fundamental basis of their atomic masses and properties. Spaces were left vacant to accommodate the element to be discovered in the future. He could predict the properties of element which help in the discovery of new elements. The inert gases element discovered later on by the separate group without disturbing the table. Or there are some defect in Mendeleev's periodic table due to the atomic masses he include on his law. Some elements are not required in the increasing order of their atomic masses. For example, cobalt is placed before nickel. The position of hydrogen is not clear in the Mendeleev's periodic table. The position of isotopes of elements are not clear in the Mendeleev's periodic table. So the discovery of modern periodic table is necessary for the periodic classification of elements. Henry Moseley gave the new property of elements, that is atomic number, and this was adopted as the basis of modern periodic table. Modern periodic law: properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. That law gives the information about modern periodic table. By the law or by the modern periodic table, the all defect in Mendeleev periodic table is clear. That is, the position of hydrogen is clear in modern periodic table. There is no inclusion of isotopes in modern periodic table. Some of the aspects are given below. That the modern periodic table consists of 18 groups and 7 periods. Elements present in any one group have the same number of valence electron. The number of shells increases as we go down the group. Modern periodic table also conclude that elements present in any one period contains the same number of shells. Also, with the increasing atomic number by 1 unit on moving from left to right, the valence shell electron increases by 1 unit. Each period makes new electronic shell getting fitted in modern periodic table. Students, this is the modern periodic table. In that table we have to conclude 118 or 108 elements on the basis of modern periodic law, that is, the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. See the position of hydrogen, it is at the 1 number because the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Thank you all of us. We will be continued the modern periodic table or the information about modern periodic table and periodic law based on the modern periodic table. Actual description of modern periodic table is necessary to be studied at the standard 10th, and the questions will be asked on the modern periodic table on our exam. So next lecture we have to study the classification of modern periodic table into metal, non-metal, metalloid, trends in the modern periodic table, variety of modern periodic table, variation in the properties of modern periodic table, and some question based on that chapter we have to study on our next lecture. Thank you.